Honorable Minister for MA and ED, Sri K.T. Ramarao Garu, Presidents, Secretaries of various real estate associations, builders and developers, good evening to all. After creation of Telangana state in 2014, Hyderabad overcame uncertainties and challenges and buoyed by innovative and development-friendly policies of the state government, quickly became the fastest growing city in India, winning multiple recognitions across the world as a preferred and most livable city. Investment keep pouring into Hyderabad, ensuring the cycle of economic development, which in turn created demand for real estate. The world is watching this rapidly developing South Asian city of Hyderabad as it endowed with good business culture, opportunities and supported by a proactive government. This business culture ecosystem needs to be maintained to achieve the sustained high growth. Most importantly, we have to ensure social harmony and brotherhood to achieve our long-term goals. A safe and cosmopolitan city will ensure economic growth will continue to happen and benefits accrue to all sections of society. No city will develop with social disharmony. Like any other rapidly growing metropolis, Hyderabad too faces problems of urban sprawl, high population growth rate, increasing traffic congestion, infrastructure challenges in water supply, sewage, solid waste management. Each of these issues are now addressed by our beloved Minister, K.T. Ramarao. We thank our Honorable Minister for new reforms like TSP Pass and Satellite Township Policy. The township policy will also pave the way for good suburban policy. The government also announced Look East and Look North policy and southern side industries, which will create economic activity for suburban development of Hyderabad. We request our Minister to also accelerate civil infrastructure like schools, hospitals, universities, sports stadia, skill development center, wholesale markets and convention centers, and proper transit plan to connect all these places and ensure that people have efficient mobility within the city and its region. Such infrastructure development means that suburbs grow without majorly depending on the mother city. This will save billions of dollars of fuel and lead to decrease in pollution to the city. Reiterating the points, TDA would suggest renewed focus on important subject, growth corridor and grid development, overcoming the challenges of acquiring approximately 6,000 acres of land for the internal grid roads, so that more than 50,000 odd acres of prime urbanizable land within the close proximity of ORR, a huge real estate potential will be unlocked for development. This will take Hyderabad to another orbit under your able leadership. Water is the most important requirement for healthy development of cities. Visionaries think ahead of times. But for this vision of Chief Minister, Hyderabad and suburban development would not be possible. Kaleshwaram project, allocation of 30 TMC of drinking water, 16 TMC of water for industries will definitely propel the growth engine of Hyderabad. The expenses to bring water to city is a huge infrastructure cost. 46 TMC of water cost 25,000 crores. Completion of Kaleshwaram project indicates such huge investment has already spent to develop Hyderabad. The model of Hyderabad will ensure unhindered urbanization, balanced distribution of higher order activities and develop all sides of Hyderabad. The kind of infrastructure will ensure same level of density and standard of living in Hyderabad. To conclude, our beloved Chief Minister has created physical infrastructure, and by passing the satellite township and suburban policy, our Minister Garu has tremendously increased the business scope of real estate activity for builders and developers. On behalf of Telangana Developers Association, we will strengthen the party which is working so much for us, and we will support our Minister's TRS party in GHMC elections. We thank our Minister for coming to this meeting. Thank you so much.